Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to disable notification on Lords Mobile application on your mobile device. Lords Mobile can keep you updated with notifications about battles, guild messages, upgrades, and more. If you want to turn off the alerts if it gets too frequent or distracting, then follow through the steps. First of all, open up your Lords Mobile game on your mobile device. From the main game screen, tap on the gear button at the bottom right. Now this will open up the Others section. Click on Push Messages. Now you can go ahead and see various notification options such as Turf, Guild, Wonders, etc. Switch off the toggle for the notification you no longer wish to receive. After you do that, you can repeat this step for every other notification alerts you wish to disable. Make sure that the box right next to the notification type is unchecked so that you can disable the specific alert. You can also go ahead and open up the Settings app from your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Under Notification tab, look for Lords Mobile. Now turn off the notification button, switch off the toggle menu right next to allow notification, and make sure that it is turned gray in color. After you switch off the notification, you can enjoy your game without any constant pop-ups or distractions. Remember that you can always turn on the notification back on whenever you need them. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.